it's Kendra and William here. It is day 3 of Niagara Falls. We are going to go to the Hornblower.
We didn't make it yesterday because I got overzealous and I got something that we were supposed to do today and yesterday, thinking we could get more done. But it was Saturday, things were really busy, so Hornblower got pushed to today. So it's all good. We're gonna get it done.
It's also called Niagara City Cruises. It's just the boat that goes up into the horseshoe.
On the signs it says Niagara City Cruises by Hornblower.
So it used to just say Hornblower, so I don't know what all they're doing. But this is the one that you get the red poncho with. So we're going to go do that, and then in a little bit we're going to the aquarium and we're going to pet a seal. So come along with us. And here we go. We get to ride this funicular down. Y'all know I love a funicular.
Read up there. Yeah.
And there is the boat down there we're going on.
Yeah.
It's got such a small crossover.
It is a very small crossover, yeah.
Un bateau en bas. Parce qu'on va être plus mouillé là. Sinon, le panorama est au deuxième étage. Pour les zip-lines. J'ai déjà acheté regarde là-bas. Donc cela, c'est bien. Pourquoi la peine? C'est où l'appareil photo?
Probably the fans inside.
We've been in funiculares without.
Okay guys, I'm not going to keep you on this video forever. William did videotape the entire experience on the Hornblower going up into Horseshoe Falls, and I am going to make a special video post on Tuesday. So check out the next video after this one and you can see the entire thing of him videoing us going all the way up in there and back down. This was super fun. I highly recommend it to absolutely anyone in the area. And my preference was the Canadian side boat ride. I think they were just a little bit more over to the right, like we watched them up from the Skyline Tower. Several boats in and out, and I feel like they are just a little bit more to the right and it's a little bit more vicious, but it could just be depending on the day also.
So we just walked into the general admission of the aquarium entrance and we come across these guys, which is the whole reason why we're here.
Mira, ahí están.
Esa es la más coqueta.
Yeah, it's right there. Stick his head up. It's one underwater.
He's like, do you have a fish for me, please?
I will really want to see them with our crabby.
The little pufferfish and myself were not on the same page about when we were going to take a photo together. So it was cute. I would look, he would look. We ended up going up the stairs in like perfect timing for the sea lion show. I think it was about to start like 4 minutes later. So it started out with this sea lion just running around, kind of barking, you know, trying to look at people. He was looking for the trainer, I'm sure, that has fish, but he was very active running around. Their music was so loud, so I went ahead and cut it out and just left my background music playing here. You're just missing a couple, like, you know, clap noises and some people cheering. We stopped by and checked out the jellyfish room, just hanging out, checking out the aquarium until it was our time for our petting of the seals. The aquarium had an entire separate building with all of these fish and animals that came out of the river.
And that's in the Great Lakes.
Like there's only this little thing, so nothing like.
After we got done with that extra building, we come back up and just hang out watching the seals for a little while. It gets about 10 minutes time until we were supposed to meet, so we decided we were going to go to the restroom, and of course a huge storm comes, cancels our experience, so we didn't get to pet the seals. We were supposed to pet the large brown one that day, but with bad weather they gave us a refund and we kind of just had to go on our way. This is funny to me. I really pushed us to go by and see this sign yesterday morning, and we passed it twice today just on our road.
Okay, you just gotta hear Rose lunch. Doesn't that sound beautiful? We're at this little Korean garden place. And what did you order?
This is the bibimbap.
It's one of his dad's favorites.
It is very good.
And she also brought him a super hot sauce. And here's my sweet fried pork. Okay guys, this is our last thing here in Niagara Falls. We bought a package that was it's a rooftop pool bar area on the Sheraton, which if you come here you can see the Sheraton. It's a huge building, but it comes with a bottle of champagne, that beautiful charcuterie board, and then this view of the falls. It's advertised as a fireworks package, so but with the lighting on the falls, it's absolutely beautiful. It's only a few minutes after 9, so it's technically not supposed to start until 10, and then the fireworks are around 10:30. So we're just going to sit here at this little table and have a wonderful time. We did get a nap in between whenever we didn't get to pet the seals for the storm, but I think this is going to work out beautiful. The weather looks perfect, and our last thing in Niagara Falls. Go for it. And here comes our champagne. Whoa!
Perfect, it avoided all the people.
This was William's view right through this beautiful flower arrangement, but at least you're not looking through people, right? white now. Ooh, and then the other side's red and white too. All that mist, that's just craziness. Okay guys, that does it for our Niagara Falls trip. Don't forget to hit that like button down below, subscribe to our channel, keep on coming back, and I'll have that full boat ride coming up next.